Hello, this is the SOG Ultra XR EDC knife. Personally, I find EDC knives too bulky and visually uninteresting, but the new all-premium small knife from SOG, the Ultra XR, is different. Designed by the Studies and Observation Group, or SOG for short. Ultra because it has their built-in pocket or money clip, and XR because it features their XR lock system. Comes in at around the $125 mark. That price may seem steep for a thin minimalist knife, but it is ultra thin and light because of the carbon fibre, and as we all know, carbon is very strong to support its light weight. Its design is very smooth, accommodating a variety of hand sizes. The blade is around 2.8 inches long and made of quality S35VN steel. Most SOG blades are VG10 steel, so this is a definite upgrade. The thumb cutout is nicely machined with no sharp edges. There are two versions, the grey graphite or this blingy gold titanium nitrided version for the blade and the pocket clip. It's an MB, so southpaws can reverse the clip and release for comfort. This knife isn't the ultimate all-rounder, and it won't suit everyone. But for me, it's my favourite EDC. It's so innocuous that it never intrudes. To me, it's a small, super light, strong and beautifully made everyday carry.